guys, I'm Enrique, and today we're going to go over how to draw a chick breaking out of an egg. Grab your marker and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to draw the underside of the egg. And it's going to be kind of a U shape. Think of like an uncompleted U. And we're going to go up and think of like a seesaw shape, like a kind of a broken egg. It can be anything. It's like maybe it looks like grass, or then we're going to go over here. We're going to draw the wings of the bird. Think of like maybe like the number 3, but with an extra loop. Then we're going to draw the top part of the chick. That's going to be almost like the top part of an egg. Like so. It's going to be one kind of stroke. You can fix it there if you need to. A little shape for the top part of the chick, the kind of like the top part of a baby of the rooster. I'm going to go down here to the lower half, and I'm going to put slightly upside down U shapes for the eyes. An upside down triangle for the beak. Almost like a, how do you say it? Like a pizza shape for the nose. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was easy enough, guys. If you guys like drawing cute drawings, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed that. Comment if you enjoyed that. I'll give you like a shout out on here. And if you want to draw cute things all the time, I have a better way that shows it like step by step, and that is in a free ebook that I give to you as a gift. It is in the description below, and that teaches you how to draw stuff. That's Cute Starter on the description below. Alright, I'll see you guys later.